Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at this Sunday's preposition. So, behind, 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 at the far side of something and often not seen. Far side and not seen. Yeah, not seen. Yeah. Or following up something. This happens first and following up from something else. The books are behind me. What is that behind you? What can you see behind me? What can you see behind me? Are there any cars behind me? Yeah. There is a dinosaur behind you. Dinosaur behind you. Yeah. Yeah. Their cars are behind the building. So, the garden is behind the house. We have a shed behind the house in the garden. Yeah. How cool is that? So, yeah. Now, I was right behind them in the queue. They came first, then me, and someone else to enter the building. She wanted to go behind me as I led the way. He was way behind us in the race. Way behind us. Yeah. They could be right behind me or behind us in the forest. Yeah, they could be right behind us in the forest. It is behind us it is far away. It is far away and behind us now. Whew! How cool is that? Yeah. So it was built behind the museum. Yeah. We left it behind the wall. Yeah. Perfect. She is thinking about going behind the wall. She left and went behind the red curtain. She left and went behind the red curtain. She is driving behind us. Driving behind us. Or behind the curtain. Not seen. They will write it in secret behind closed doors. Yeah, who knows what they do behind closed doors? Yeah. Imagine all the secrets that people talk about behind closed doors. Behind closed doors. No one can see. Yeah, not seen. Behind closed doors. How cool is that? Yeah, so behind the wall, behind the window. What is behind the secret? Behind the curtain. Behind me, behind us. Behind me, behind us. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use behind in a sentence? Can you use it and write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.